Developing reality, developing Telangana. Telangana మనకి ఈరోజు కన్స్ట్రక్షన్ ఇండస్ట్రీ నుంచి రిప్రజెంటేటివ్స్ ఇక్కడ రావటం జరిగింది to the 3S Conclave and Create Awards 2021. And yes, so without any delay to proceed with the event, firstly, let me invite Mr. Ramchandra Reddy Garu, Chairman CREDAI Telangana, onto the stage. Rajan Garu. Once again, hearty welcome to our Honorable Governor, Dr. Srimati Tamilisai Soundararajan Garu. And I request Mr. Ajay Kumar Garu, Vice President, CREDAI Telangana, to give a plant to our Honorable Governor.
Particularly in the Warangal district, Karimnagar, Mechal, Mahbub Nagar. So I also appreciate that you have a youth wing. So it's a young country. So any organization, youth wing definitely will progress. I'm not telling all our others are old, because others are more younger than the youth wing, because you are all so enthusiastic and you are a part of the development of the country as well as a part of development of Telangana. And as it is mentioned by all the speakers, Telangana is a developing state. When compared to other states, we are developing more faster than other states, even though it is a youngest state. And you take an important part in the development of the state. And when I was about to come here, one of the person asked why it is called real estate, whether there is any fake estate. Then I learned that the real estate is a Latin word which means genuine. And estate is the English translation of the old French word status. And this real estate is a word which is practiced since 1660, I believe, one of the oldest word which is practiced in the world. So you all take the credit, and CREDAI is credible, I can say. So, and I am not a very expert in assessing the land or buildings, but the way you presented here, really the responsibility and the social responsibility you showed on the people of Telangana. And as a doctor, I appreciate the blood donation camps which you organized. And apart from that, my appeal is, because here builders are there, developers are here. Now, because of the pandemic, every organization, every effort is different from the pre-corona situation. So you have to concentrate whenever you plan now. You have to plan the houses or the estates or the buildings in the pandemic, how to face the pandemic period also, with space, with air space, everything. Because we may have to live with the situation of pandemic for little more years, I believe. Because we thought we will be away from corona, but now Omicron has come. So only everyone, I appeal everyone, please wear mask and take the vaccination. And I always think, because builders are here and estate owners are here, organizers are here, whenever, even during my younger days when we dream a house, it's always say the house is not with cement and beams. It is the house is with care and dreams. So everyone dreams a house. So owning a house is the pride in each and everyone's life. So you are adding pride. So I congratulate each and everyone, and you are reaching out the economically compromised people also. Previously, before the real estates and organizations like CREDAI, the owning a house is only the chance of life of the economically affluent people. But now we are reaching out the economically compromised people also. And I always say, whenever I go and see a house, or whenever the real estate builders show a house, they will say this is 2-bedroom house, 3-bedroom house. And my appeal is because the pandemic, sometimes we have to live in lockdowns also. So I always think everyone is showing 2 bedrooms, 3 bedrooms. Why no one is showing book rooms? So a small space for a book room, my appeal is at least a corner for books, because we have to live in the lockdown period. We don't know how long we have to live with the pandemic. So we have to innovative thinking, because when I was saying that this is a correct forum to put forth my idea, and you are all always practicing the greenhouse method and how to save the electricity. The energy which is saved today is the earning tomorrow, and we are producing the energy tomorrow, and today's wastage is tomorrow's shortage. So what all may be the plan to save the energy and to save the life and improve the mood of the people. Whenever the people inside the house also, they should be very happy. In Tamil there is a old proverb saying that Elivalai aanalum Thalivalai. Even it may be a rat hole, it should be a private hole. So everyone wishes that. So in this era of real estate, everyone dreams a house. So you are aiding them to have a house, to own a house, and I appreciate all, particularly not only in your professional activities but also in your service activities. I wish you all the best, and as I said, let your chapters increase in number, widen your horizon, and you serve more people. Thank you so much.
Jai Sriman Narayana, His Excellency Dr. Tamilisai Soundararajan Garu, and my dear friends, Murali Krishna Reddy Garu, Ramchandra Reddy Garu, Prem Sagar Reddy Garu, Indrasena Reddy Garu, National Chapter Vice Chairman Ram Reddy Garu, all my senior colleagues and colleagues. After a long time, I had opportunity to meet all old friends in this event, because almost last 2-3 years I have been working on that big project, Statue of Equality. I am really, last 2-3 years I am not much focusing on the business. That Statue of Equality is going to be inaugurated in February by Honorable Prime Minister. I request all, you should participate in that. And today, I am so happy, being my last 30 years in the building activity, you all recognizing me and giving this award. I really thank you, all my colleague friends, and particularly CREDAI. Today we all know Hyderabad is really moving, taking the biggest identity in the globe. Last 6-7 years we have been seeing the kind of transmission, the kind of high-rise buildings, and with this we have to be also careful. We should not allow things should go wrong. Here we have to play very important role. All the stakeholders. The biggest stakeholder is the government, then the developers, then the most important is that the beneficiaries. Therefore, we have a big role to play because we know there is a lot of regulatory authorities in place, that is RERA, and also we have been seeing so many things I don't want to specifically mention, but I want to alert all my colleague members and all government senior officials to be more careful because so much volume is coming, and if it comes with all discipline, it should be welcome. But undisciplined things have to curtail it. And more so, I request all colleague members to bring to the government notice on the implementation of RERA in full-fledged. And also, we should not allow all this irregular construction activity. Therefore, end of the day, beneficiary, buyers is the at most important. Therefore, I request all of our colleague members, you are all doing, CREDAI is doing a wonderful job. I know big campaigning is there running, and whatever support from my side, I will be there. With this, once again, I thank you all my members and also our Excellency Governor Garu, Dr. Tamilsai Soundararajan, giving this award on this great event. Thank you one and all. Jai Srimanarayan.
And this now, I request Mr. Ramchandra Reddy Garu, Chairman CREDAI Telangana, to please present a memento to our Honorable Governor, Dr. Srimati Tamilisai Soundararajan Garu.
విల్లా కమ్యూనిటీ మార్కెట్ బాగుంది హైదరాబాద్లో. 250 yards 3000 square feet నుంచి 850 yards 1000 yards 8000 to 10,000 square feet ఏరియాలో కడుతున్నారు. అన్ని సెగ్మెంట్స్కు మార్కెట్ డిమాండ్లో ఉంది. అన్ని ఫెసిలిటీస్ ఉంటాయి కాబట్టి గేటెడ్ కమ్యూనిటీ డిమాండ్ నుండి ఫెసిలిటీస్ ఇంక్లూడ్స్ క్లబ్ హౌస్, పార్క్స్, స్కిల్ డెవలప్మెంట్, పిల్లలకు మ్యూజిక్ స్కిల్స్, డ్రామా అవన్నీ నేర్పిస్తున్నారు. పెద్దవాళ్ళకు స్విమ్మింగ్ పూల్స్, జిమ్నేజియమ్స్ ఇవన్నీ ఉన్నాయి. ఈ ఫెసిలిటీస్తో సెక్యూరిటీ ఉంది, పార్క్స్ ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి ప్రిఫర్ చేస్తున్నారు.
హలో ఎవ్రీవన్, ప్లీజ్ డూ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు JBTV తెలుగు.
హాయ్ ఓర్స్, ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ JBTV తెలుగు.
Please subscribe JB Telugu News channel.
Hello everyone, I'm Neha Deshpande. Please subscribe to JBTV Telugu.